Morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English question answer session. Now it belongs to your English textbook of standard fifth lesson. Actually, it belongs to your lesson 19th, the book of nature. The name of lesson 19th is the book of nature. So you can write lesson 19th. Lesson 19th. The story named The Book of Nature has been written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Let us participate in it positively. Question first A. How old is the earth? Answer. Our earth is millions and millions of years old. Question B. What are our books for the early story of the earth? Answer. Actually, we have no healthy paper books for the early story of the earth, but we have some things which tell us a great deal as well, almost as a book would. We have rocks and mountains and seas and stars and rivers and deserts and fossils of old animals. These and other like things are our books for the earth's early story. Question number C. What do you learn to read a language? Answer. To read a language, we learn alphabet of that very language. Question D. What happens when you break a stone or a rock? Answer. When we break a big rock into small bits, then each bit is rough and has corners and rough edges. In this way, you came to know the answer of your question first A to first D. Must note it down and get checked. See you in next class with new solution. Thanks.